Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things product related. Today, we have something that might just give you peace of mind, especially if you've ever worried about the unexpected. Let's dive into the best if I go missing binder, a must-have for anyone who wants to be fully prepared in case of an emergency. The 2025 updated edition of this binder by Savor is not just any organizational tool. It's designed with your safety and preparedness in mind. Whether you're a true crime enthusiast, someone who's proactive about personal security, or just someone who wants to make sure their loved ones are well prepared, this binder is the perfect solution. It's called the "In Case I Go Missing" binder, and it's quickly become a viral sensation thanks to TikTok and the increasing popularity of preparedness culture. Let's talk about the design. The binder is bound in custom-dyed linen book cloth, and its expanding file folders are made from acid-free materials, which ensures your important documents stay safe for years. It even features reinforced binding and an elastic closure to keep everything secure. The binder is perfect for holding everything from your birth certificate to your social security card and anything else that's essential in your life. With a variety of envelope sizes, it can accommodate everything from standard letter-sized documents to passports, photos, and even tiny items like hair samples. Inside, the organization couldn't be simpler. It includes a table of contents that lets you track the documents you've stored. The hand-illustrated labels are a thoughtful touch, guiding you on where to save your papers and what's important to keep. The front pouch provides an easy space for any documents that need to be sorted before they're filed away, making it incredibly user-friendly. But that's not all. The 2025 edition has been redesigned to ensure durability. The glue and construction have been improved, and you get a 3-year replacement guarantee, meaning you can buy with confidence. The binder is not only practical but also looks stylish and blends in seamlessly with any home decor. It's designed to be displayed in plain sight, so you don't have to hide it away somewhere. You can keep it in a place where you'll easily remember to update it. As for the price, it's affordable for anyone who values being prepared. And if you're thinking of a unique gift for someone who values security and personal safety, this binder makes for a thoughtful and practical option. In summary, the Savor In Case I Go Missing binder is a fantastic way to ensure that if something were to happen to you, your loved ones would have everything they need to take action. It's stylish, durable, and designed with your peace of mind in mind. If you're looking for a product that can help you plan, organize, and stay prepared, this binder is a game changer. That wraps up today's review of the Savor In Case I Go Missing binder. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews from Product Critique. Stay safe, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video.